What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Thank you for tuning in. All right. We have got some news. We've got some movement in the market today. And let's focus on the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Bitcoin went downhill. It's on a downward slope today. All right. So let's and if you don't already know, you can invest in Bitcoin through Cash App. You can also invest in stocks. You can trade stocks and Bitcoin on Cash App. So I'm gonna click on that Bitcoin tab icon that you see on the bottom right hand side. All right. So this is my balance. This is my Bitcoin, the results of my Bitcoin investment. It has gone down 7.6% in the last 24 hours. So I've taken a little bit of a hit. All right. So that's the last 24 hours. Let's look at how far it went down in the past week. It went down 6.9% in the past week. But if you look at Bitcoin overall, you can still see that it's way up. I mean, I'm not even going to repeat. I mean, over 300% or 300,000% over a span of, I think that's, I want to say 14 years. But let's look at what it's done recently. All right. So again, 7.8% or 7.6% today. So remember, I don't know if you remember in the last video, I said what you want to do in the market, you want to buy low and sell high. So when the market shot up and I took profits, I cashed out my profits. It went over $500, which $500 was my investment. I took my profits and I cashed some of it out and I left some there in my Cash App balance. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, I have $30. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that to purchase $30 of Bitcoin. So and my strategy is I'm going to buy with it being low. I think, now I'm no expert. I'm not a financial expert. I'm not an advisor either. So if you choose to invest, do so after doing your due diligence and research. Invest only what you can afford to invest. Okay. All right. So I'm going to buy $30 worth of Bitcoin, which what it's going to do is it's going to add that to my balance that you see there. All right. So and my strategy is to do that so when it goes back up, I'll gain a profit. And I really, here lately, I haven't seen it. I mean, it was as low as 30. I think it went down to $37,000 a month ago, which it could do that again. But in my opinion, I don't see it going that low before it shoots back up. So let's hit the buy button. And then I'm going to tap on those dots. And then the screen will go out. Cash App blocks the transaction. So I'm just going to key in $30 and just give it a few seconds. It'll black out and then it will come back up. All right. Okay, so as you can see, I am now up to $491.13. So it added the $30 that I had sitting in my Cash App balance to my Bitcoin investment. So I'm going to keep an eye on this over the next 18 to 24 hours And if I won't say calculations, but if my thinking is accurate or correct, it will go up over the weekend. And I don't know if it'll go over, up high enough for me to take, cash profits out of it. But I feel like it at the very least will go back up to my initial investment amount. And then I think from there, I think it will continue. But hey, it's really volatile. I don't have a crystal ball. The cryptocurrency is like the stock market. You don't know, what causes it to go up or down. So you can profit and you can also lose. And the thing I want you to keep in mind is you never lose money until you actually sell your shares, whether you have a whole share or a fractional share. You don't lose until you sell it, and you don't gain until you take you cash your profit out. So always keep that in mind. All right. That's what I love about investing. People look at it like, it's a gamble. No, it is in fact an investment. You're investing. When you're investing in stocks, you invest in a particular company. So keep that in mind. All right. So we're not going to go over stocks today, but I wanted to just give you the Bitcoin update, and I will keep you posted over the weekend as to what Bitcoin is doing. All right. Y'all have a good evening out there. Thank you.